than special, special, something more than special.
Yeah,
Something more than special.
back up in this. Yeah. Strange Fruit Project bringing a little something special on this one.
More than special.
Yeah. Come on, Ninth Wonder on the beat. Yeah, back in my bags cause the brother on the road again. Maybe we could do this another time, but I'm rolling in. Start my motor, man. I'm about to head out. Said a little prayer to myself and then I sped out. Thoughts of my family, it's got me hesitating now. Thoughts of insanity, it's got me meditating loud. Insane anger, brothers headed for danger. Looking at my life, it's unleaded and straight dangerous. It's all good, small hood slang the dust. Another brother wanna aim and bust. So I'm out the hood and I'm living in the better city. Cause things go round like merry-go, so let it go. It's getting gritty and they wondering where the crime went. Locked up, incarcerated, most of their time spent behind bars. I rhyme bars, it's necessary. Sorta scary how to live and dwelling in cemeteries. So special, so special.
I can feel it all in my bones. Won't leave me alone. It just goes on and on and on. This feeling in me has got to be. It's all in my soul. Won't let me go. It just goes on and on.
First of all, I thank God for my life. Shouting out to both mamas for addressing the stresses of wrong and right when the pressure was on. Discipline was given to get in the zone, to get it while the getting is good instead of getting it on. So I let it be known from suburbs to the inner city gritty. This year living on curbs, midi a lyrical slur. Plug it in a piece of masses. Music got them on fiending for more. Like please pass it. We breeze past the past. Now we classic beyond y'all platinum plaques and shrink wrapping. Made it 9 miles without rabbit. Mad when the runaround was getting rerun. What's happening? The lights getting popped on the door of the industry. Cause you were on the bill and wasn't bringing no energy. Now we bank like synergy, remedy for the times when the artist ever lacking in rhymes. And so I figured that
This feeling in me has got to be.
Something more than special.